Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the JZBRAIN commercial faucet with sprayer, a perfect addition to any kitchen setup. This wall-mounted faucet boasts an effortless installation process with its 1/2-inch NPT connections and pre-installed gaskets, making it a breeze to set up on your own. Designed for powerful cleaning, it features a pre-rinse sprayer with a high-pressure 1.42 GPM spray valve, ideal for tackling tough dishwashing and janitorial tasks. The faucet's smooth operation is enhanced by a 180-degree swing spout and a 12-inch add-on faucet, providing a 2.2 GPM flow rate with an aerator for a quiet, splash-free experience. Its adjustable eccentric flange design allows for flexible mounting, accommodating a center range from 7.75 to 8.25 inches, perfect for walls or sink backsplashes. Plus, the 18-inch flexible hose offers easy maneuverability, making it ideal for rinsing large pots, pans, and multi-compartment sinks in any commercial kitchen. With its heavy-duty brass construction and polished chrome finish, this faucet is not only functional but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.